Hello and welcome dear students with the learning targets for the third week of September, that is beginning from 13th of September progressing till the 17th of September. The students will begin with the listening, reading, writing passages. Two passages have already been uploaded as informational text. The students will be reading and listening to the passages and responding to the questions which are already given there. Then progressing to vocabulary, spellings and vocabulary parade. As the students read and listen and come across new words, the students are expected to record it in their notebook, learn the spellings, look at the spelling patterns and learn it. At the same time, the students are also expected to record the words, look for synonyms, antonyms, so that the students' story building, vocabulary building takes place. In literature, we continue with the Nightingale and the Glowworm. The poem was already introduced in the previous week. The students are progressing with the summary, the poetic device, question answers, which are already discussed. The students will continue discussing that in the class and writing the question answers in their notebook. Writing, vocabulary, essay, the students will be expected to delve deeper into the scientific aspects of a glowworm. The certain information is already given in the video lecture. The students are expected to write an essay based on the same. Reading comprehension, listening and reading comprehension and listening comprehension. This is where the teacher will share the information. This is selected information. Whatever is done with reference to this speaking, reading and listening comprehension will feature in the examination. So the selected topic that is in plan is with regard to, the theme is with regard to discrimination and how to overcome discrimination. That is the main idea, main theme. The students may read on this topic from outside, from any text. It can be regarding discrimination, it can be bullying a person, how to overcome bullying. The students are expected to watch videos also on YouTube with regard to how to overcome bullying, and this short passage, teacher selected passage or the teacher selected essay, the part of the story, will be shared with just a few questions, and students are expected to narrate it with the focus of anti-bullying and overcoming discrimination, or to make the society a better society with no discrimination. That is the theme, and the skill is to read, to listen and to respond, but using polite language. Proceeding further, with regard to unit 3, the students are expected to work on all the grammar questions, reading, writing and other exercises in their unit 3 section 2. The whatever reading comprehension is given in unit 3, the students are expected to do that independently. Proceeding to unit 3 section 3, the selection that is being picked is Sympathy by Paul Laurence Dunbar. Again, the focus is to overcome discrimination. That is the theme that is in progress. Students are expected to read more poems based on similar topics, and the focus in this selection is to know the poetic devices, to appreciate poem. Then in grammar we have conquered, subject verb agreement. We have already begun on this topic during the previous week. We are going to continue learning new rules and applying those rules in our writing. Another grammar topic that is planned for this week is determiners. It will begin and it will continue in the next week. Progressing further, we have the workbook. We will continue with the workbook wherever we have stopped, and will continue and progress with the grammar exercises given in unit 3. Now looking at the subunits, listening comprehension, passages, complete the sentences. comprehending to the story, question answers, and question answers pertaining to the poem. Writing, the students are expected to record the vocabulary with synonyms and antonyms, so that whatever question is given to them with regard to extrapolatory, reflecting and writing, the students should not feel short of vocabulary. So the students are expected to take down new words, look for synonyms, and record the antonyms. Essay writing and illustrate the code, the students are also expected to read and listen to topics based on discrimination and bullying, and take down points and be ready for any kind of writing. The content should be, the students should have enough content in their notebook. Then reading comprehension using inference and the strategy of inferencing and contextual clues, that means how you can find information in the text. Progressing, we'll try to complete unit 3. If we are able to complete, we may proceed to unit 4. Proceeding to the cross-curricular links, the students may link the glowworm, the scientific aspect of glowworm. The certain notes are already given in the video. This is the area where the students are expected to find a little more information and explain, writing a paragraph giving an explanation how the glowworm has a glowworm's light glow in the dark. Expect of the real life situation, it is with regard to overcoming bullying or experiencing anything of that nature or discrimination. And with regard to social studies, students are expected to find out a little bit about the caste system prevalent in the Indian society. Referring to the learning indicators, the students are expected to continue using the same learning indicators of the NCERT. Prepare a skill tracker in their notebook for the coming week also. This will be the third skill tracker during the week. The skills are speak short, prepared speech in the morning assembly, speak about the objects, events in the class, school environment and outside the surrounding, ask questions in different contexts and situations, example based on the text, beyond the text, out of the curiosity, while engaging in conversation during appropriate vocabulary and accurate sentences. Why outside the text? Because it's a general topic or the theme has been selected. The students are building on the skills based on the theme. And what kind of questions will the students get in literature? In literature, the students will definitely have the poem The Nightingale and the Glowworm, and all the listening, reading comprehensions selected by the teacher and done in the notebook, those will feature in the examination. And progressing further, the students will have while engaging in the conversation using appropriate vocabulary and accurate sentences, then reading textual and non-textual material in English, and then proceeding with identifying the main idea and details, characters, sequence of ideas, events while reading a text. Also, the students are expected to read beyond the prescribed theme or the text given, compare and contrast to one passage with another passage. It is actually the skill building. It is not that the students need to rote learn any focused short story. The students should be able to compare, contrast, think critically and relate to ideas to oneself. That is discrimination and anti-bullying, and infer the meaning of unfamiliar words by reading them in context. Then students are expected to read a variety of texts for pleasure, the topic prescribed is anti-bullying and discrimination, or unity and recognizing everyone as equal world citizens. Find certain things related to this topic and read for pleasure. And then adventure stories and science fiction, fairy tales and other fiction articles, narratives, travelogues, biographies, etc. Extensive reading is expected. Students are also expected to refer a dictionary and a thesaurus. I've already mentioned, as you come across a new word, look up for the meaning. I've already taught how to refer a Rocket's thesaurus. Please refer to the video uploaded earlier, and the students are expected to refer a dictionary independently, not to Google search a word. Refer an Oxford dictionary as prescribed. Then prepare a write-up after seeking information in print online, and this is with regard to the project. The project that the students are doing, the project is reflections on pandemic, and the students are expected to work on this project in collaboration with students from other schools, national or international level. There will be 2 submissions expected of the students, and what questions to do, the students may progress on their own speed. It is a personalized project. Part 1 is already uploaded by the file name project reflections on pandemic, and 2 submissions are expected. That will be all for this week. Students, those who are new to my class and new on the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you receive the notification when I upload my next video. And all the students are requested to click on like under the video so that this video gets added in their auto generated liked list, and the students may refer this throughout the week near test and examinations. Thank you very much for your precious time.